Hi everyone, my name is Umar Farooq, and today I'm going to be talking about some of the new features that are coming out in this VerticaPy release. So let's have a quick look.
First up is the capability of VerticaPy to be able to ingest complex data. Now, users can easily ingest semi-structured as well as unstructured data and either store it or analyze it using VerticaPy. We currently support PARQUET, JSON, ORC, and AVRO. In just one line of code, VerticaPy automatically detects the complex data types and stores them in vData frame. Another new feature are flex tables. Because of VMAP data types, flex tables allow a lot of flexibility. Since the data structure is not rigid, any new data point with different set of features can be readily inserted into an existing dataset. Along with being super flexible, it is also super convenient as it only requires you to switch just one parameter while ingesting. Not just that, but VerticaPy now allows a lot of convenient data manipulations on complex data structures. For example, you can flatten the entire structure or just a subset of the features. Though VMAP data types are more flexible, but they're less performant than complex data types shown previously. Lastly, let's talk about what's new in analytics. There are two new string comparison metrics, namely gyro-Winkler and gyro-distance. They enable to quantify the difference between strings. Now you can finally put a number on the difference between potatoes and potatoes just by calling the gyro-Winkler function. The application is pretty straightforward as seen here. This capability has also been extended to joins, so that the users can join different tables that have slight change in spelling. That is all for this release. We will be back with more.